guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the slow motion video speed in your Redmi Note 12 Pro. So to start, open the camera app, then slide to the right the more and choose slow motion. Now tap on the 3-line button and choose your speed. I'm gonna pick the maximum slow-mo speed and now you can record your slow-mo video. And this is how it looks. We have to wait for a second. This is the maximum slow motion speed. And this is the minimum speed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.